If you're facing this little issue, the unable to locate package or error not found, this is an easy fix, and that should work for both when you're trying to remove or install package. So first of all, we go to the nano section, and here you will like to clear this up entirely. So you go and you will have to remove every line that is in here. So when we are done, we go to this website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. So we go and we'll have to, it will be a total of 5 lines. So we copy the first one in the default network repository value. We go, we copy and paste it. We'll leave one space between each line. Then we go to the second section, and you will have to copy the first two. Okay, the first two and the one that is below the image that you will see in the website. So you go and you paste it there. You go for the third one. Will be actually in the third section, and it's below the picture that you will see. Then we go to the last one. We scroll down until we get the section of source repositories, and we copy the only line that is in there. Okay, once we are done, you will like to save it, and to save it you will have to rewrite the file. So you rewrite it, you accept it with enter, then you will have to Ctrl X to exit. Just verify everything was it was saved, and we go back to update. So once we are done, you would like to sudo apt-get update. apt-get upgrade. And after that, we go and we install, or you try and see if the fix works. In this case, should work. So in this case, we'll like to install Linux. We go and get the necessary repositories to finish the install. Now if you see this, just escalate privileges, you go to root mode, sudo zoo, enter your Kali password, and there you go. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.